Hello, my lovely friends. So happy to see you again. I'm Yeva, and today I've got a super cool new yoga proof for us and check out. Ta-da! It's yoga wheel, and of course, it's my favorite pink color. Okay, so the yoga wheel is our some tools that makes working out way easier and helps beginners nail these tricky poses. It's like your perfect little working party and really helps you easier into and out the poses, kind of like having a safety net. I'm gonna show you a few poses you can totally try out with the wheel, but first let's warm up. Now that we are warmed up and our muscles and joints are all ready to go, I'm gonna dive into some exercise to strengthen our back using the yoga wheel. Alright, let's get on our knees with our feet hips width apart. Place the feet done. That wasn't too hard. Now let's move on to an exercise for our thin muscles and spine flexibility. Place the heel right in the center of your torso and lie tummy down on it. Stretch your arms out in front of you, lift your chest up and keep your legs shoulders width apart. Make sure your shoulders are reaching toward your hip. Your knees are straightened and your shoulders blades are squeezed together. Lower yourself down to your hand and let's repeat this 50 times. Exercise done. I can already feel my body stretching out nicely. Now let's work all my muscles group with the wheel. is done, my mind clean, my body straightened out, and I'm feeling super energized. How did you like today's session? Did I surprise you with yoga wheel? I bet I did. Wishing you all good vibes and positivity. See you in next video. Love, your Eva. Bye bye. Mwah.